Transform your Square invoices from simple payment requests into powerful tools for building customer trust and preventing disputes. First, open your Square dashboard on a web browser and log into your account once you're in. Look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. From your Settings menu, select the option labeled Checkout. This is where you control everything about how your customers complete their purchases, both online and in person. Now scroll down the checkout page until you find the section dedicated to policies. Here, you'll see a text box for your return policy. This is where the magic happens. Carefully type your specific return policy into this box. Be clear and concise about the time frame for returns. The condition items must be in, and any other important terms, like whether you offer refunds or store credit. After you've entered your policy, don't forget to scroll all the way down and click the green Save button to ensure your changes are applied. And that's it. Now, whenever you create a new invoice, whether you're emailing it to a client or printing, a receipt, your professional return policy will be automatically included. This small but mighty step enhances transparency, sets clear expectations, and shows your customers you're a professional business they can rely on.